Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. Finally, the AI bot is ready now. You can find the download link under the description box of this video. But don't be that hurry. Just watch this video to understand that how does this AI work and how you should use it properly so you will have a good results as I have. So first, I will put the EA on the chart. This is the first version of AI bot. Then I will click OK. Now I will go to the inputs. This is really important to understand that how does this EA actually work, then you will be able to use it properly. This is actually I was using it on the bigger account size, but if you have like 1000 account, you should use it like 50 because this EA is going to be very great, but it's not going to be working good only on one or two symbols because we are going to use it on many symbols. And if you have deposit like me, I had like 25,000, then you can make it like 20. So the distance should be 20 or 50. The distance should be higher. You cannot make it very closer because the E is going to take a lot of orders and then you are just going to lose. To use it properly, you should manage that how many currency pairs you have and how much balance you have. So I will go with the 1000 account balance for this setting because mostly people has 1000 balance. So I will put it like 50. Then I will go with maximum number of orders. I will keep it 100 because it's not never going to reach that 100. Then after I'm going to use the fixed lot size. The fixed lot size, the auto lot size, there are two options, but you can see the third option according to DD. This means according to drawdown. But this function is not going to work properly because this function still need to be improved. So I do not recommend to use this option. Otherwise, you are going to fail in this bot. So I will just go with the fixed lots and then I'm using the increasing lots. Yes, I'm using it. Then minimum lot size and the maximum minimum lot size I will make it 0.02. Okay, then maximum lot size this is okay, and the spread I will not be using the target option and I will not be using the drawdown option. This is extremely a simple EA. I don't want to confuse people to put a lot of inputs that are just confusion. They're just confusing you. Just simple is better than a complex one. I can make a really complex EA, but I don't want to do that just to make it clear and clean. So I will click OK. And now what I'm gonna do, I will save the template like default. And thanks to someone who commented that the default can, this way you can um, directly upload the template to another new symbol. So I will put it like 20 charts. Okay, this is 1000 account and I'm going to put it on 20 charts. So here it goes. But do not put this kind of symbols because mostly they have a higher spread. So avoid the higher spread symbols. Okay. And these are the symbol. You can count the symbol and the time frame. You can very clearly see it is H1. Okay, I think these are enough for me. Okay, I will just click hide all and you can see how many symbols I have. You can just count by yourself. So that was all about this EA. Just run this EA with the setting I told you. Do not select this option according to DD because this EA is still, this option is still under checking. So I'm checking it. Once it's ready or once I'm sure about it that it's this option works well, I will let you know. And if there is any improvement that need to be done in this EA, I will do it and post the EA again. So that was all about this EA. I hope that you're going to like it. and just use it from the Monday, from tomorrow, and let me know what did you get from this EA. What's good in this EA? What's bad in this EA? I hope that you will have great results as I have, and see you soon again with your reviews. Goodbye and have a nice day.